All right, we've got a diagnosis of the leak problem. I'm underneath Lady Joan. I have successfully removed the centerboard. It's in a cradle that I built to make that easy. And what we've got here, let me look up. Okay, here's the main problem, is there's this crack along the centerboard trunk where the trunk itself joins into the hull. You can see I've cleaned this out, dug it out, and sanded on either sade. There's another place up here. Can't really see it very well in this light. And there's one on the other side of the trunk as well, right here. So I'm going to paint raw epoxy on here. There's some wood rot I had to dig out. Crack there. Gonna paint this with raw epoxy to seal it, and then immediately fill it with thickened epoxy to level it. And tomorrow I'm gonna have to sand that. My guess is it's gonna take a second filling tonight. Sand that. Put fiberglass over this tomorrow morning. Tomorrow night sand that, and then primer and paint. This is interesting over here. The skeg also has some delamination, and if you look carefully here, you might be able to see daylight all the way through the skeg. So it's cracked on this side and this side, and there and there. Glue failure. There's also some problems with the centerboard itself. Some delamination here of the centerboard, so squeeze some glue in there and filler, clamp that together. There's some delamination here. Maybe that's from an impact. It's on the leading edge. So, got some repair work to do. Work's cut out for me. Okay, now we're sanded, so the epoxy has something to grab onto. This is what's on the outside. It's more visible. Sanded as much as I could on the inside too. Sanding's a lot of work. This is the edges of some of the repair work I did for the puncture of the hull. I remember saying, well, someday I'll crawl under the boat and smooth that out. So this is that someday. Okay, I got the bare wood and cracks sealed with epoxy outside and in, but it's now too hot. I can't do the filling. I'm gonna have to do that tonight. Okay, got the cracks filled tonight. That's the skeg. Let's go underneath here and look at the inside of the daggerboard, centerboard trunk. Got that crack filled. Yeah, lots of stuff. Also, did some repair to the repair, kind of feathering that out. And of course, working up inside a centerboard trunk requires some specialty tools that I had to manufacture, the long reach pallet knives.